Hi everyone, welcome to EZVIZ product introduction. Today we will introduce RE5 smart cleaning robot. So if you got one RE5 cleaning robot, the first thing you need to do is power on the device. And you need to press down the power up button, which is on the robot itself, so that the device can be powered. That's very simple. And next thing you need to do is to reset device so it can be added to EZVIZ app. For doing so, you need to press down power button and recharge button at the same time for 4 seconds. And after that, you should hear a voice prompt.
Start network configuration.
Then you can take out your smartphones, use EZVIZ app to scan the QR code on the robot, so it can be added to your EZVIZ app. After you add RE5 to the EZVIZ app, now you can set up the cleaning tags for the RE5 robot. But before that, you need to build a map for your house firstly. And for doing so, you can tap the Start to Clean button here. Then the device will start to build the map, which will take a couple minutes, depends on how large your house. After the map is done, you can now customize the surrounding areas. For example, cut the kitchen and the living room to two separate areas and add some invisible walls or set no-go zones for the robot. And then you can finally set the cleaning missions for the whole house or for the selected rooms. For example, you can set RE5 to clean your whole house at 10:30 a.m., repeating each day. And of course, for the cleaning method, you can choose full house cleaning. If you choose for this option, the RE5 will clean your whole house. Or you only need one of those rooms to be cleaned, you can choose which ones you want to clean for your house. For example, you have done the cooking, you only need to clean the kitchen and the dining room area. You can do so by tackle the room button, then click which area you want to clean in the EZVIZ app, then the device will follow you cleaning tags. Or in some special cases, no need to clean the whole room, but only a small area need to be cleaned. You can toggle the area button so that you can circle out which area need to be cleaned in the map. So the RE5 robot will go to that area and clean that area. And of course, for different requirements, you can set different cleaning missions. For example, after you've done the cooking, which I say 1 p.m. each day, the device can clean the kitchen area. But at 10 a.m. each day, the RE5 robot can do the full house cleaning. You can set different cleaning missions, and you can set maximize 5 different cleaning missions in the EZVIZ app. And of course, when the RE5 is cleaning a house, sometimes there are furnitures and some obstacles in the cleaning area. For example, if you have a second floor in your house, and when the RE5 robot go to the cliff or the stairs area, the drop sensing technology will have RE5 to auto stop in case of fall down on the stairs. And if there's a table in the cleaning path, the infrared sensor plus TPE bumper will help RE5 robot to cross that obstacle. For example, if there's a cockpit which is lower than 2 centimeter, the RE5 can climb onto that obstacle and across it, like this. During the whole cleaning task, the LGS lidar will help RE5 to build a map firstly, and then help the RE5 robot to locate itself to make sure that it knows where it is. And of course, after you're done for the cleanings, the battery level of RE5 may drop to the low level, and now you need to make a recharge. So for doing so, you can just directly toggle the recharge button, which is on the RE5 robot itself.
Return for charging.
Then the RE5 can auto find the position of charging base and go back to the charging base for charging. Or you can use your EZVIZ app, and that you can do it remotely. Even so, you are in the office, you are in a different place, you can still control the RE5 robot in your house. And in some special cases, like when the RE5 robot has less than 20% battery level, it will also auto back to recharging. And then, as a cleaning robot, the RE5 still requires some regular maintenance and replacement for some of those components. For example, the mopping assembly part. Because RE5 is a sweeping plus vacuum plus mopping cleaning robot, so for the mopping function, you need to assemble or disassemble the mopping closed by doing so. Just simply drag it off from the cleaning robot. And if you want the device to do the mopping function, you also need to add clean water in the water tank. And when the RE5 robot has done for the cleaning task, sometimes there are some dirt or hairs in the main brush area, and you can remove it and clean it like this. There is a brush and knife in the RE5 package. You can use that to clean the RE5 main brush. Then the last step will be cleaning the dust tank and the filter box. So this is a filter box. You need to open it, remove the filter, and use fresh water to clean it. And for the dust tank, well, you need to empty the dust tank after the device has done for the cleaning task. Of course, if you have a plus version, means RE5 also has the auto empty base, then users do not need to clean the dust tank itself, because the auto empty base will suck all the dirt from this small dust tank. Well, like we said before, the RE5 and RE5 Plus product require for regular change for some of the components. So here's a list which part need to be regular replaced. And also, if you check for the EZVIZ app, there is a part called suppliers and maintenance. And in this page, you can see which part need to be regular change, regular maintained, and also the device, also the app will help you to accumulate the used hours. And when it goes for 100%, that is remind you to change for the cleaning component. So that's all the introduction for the RE5 cleaning robot. Thanks for your listening.